Tired of messy code and scattered analytics on your WordPress site? Let's link your WordPress website to Google Tag Manager in just a few easy steps. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. We'll start with the plugin method. The easiest way to connect, go to Plugins, then click Add New. Search for Google Tag Manager. Look for a reputable plugin like GTM4WP or Duraceltami's Google Tag Manager for WordPress. Click Install Now and then activate the plugin. Now, find the plugin settings. Usually under Settings in your WordPress menu, you'll need your Google Tag Manager ID, which starts with GTM. Head over to Google Tag Manager. Your ID is located at the top of the page, next to the Google Tag Manager logo. Copy this ID. Paste the GTM ID into the plugin settings field and save your changes. That's it for the plugin method. If you prefer the manual method, go to Appearance, then Theme Editor. Be very careful with this method. Find the header file. You'll need to paste the Google Tag Manager code snippet right after the opening head tag. Back in Google Tag Manager, find the installation instructions. Copy the first code snippet, the one that goes in the head. Paste the code snippet immediately after the opening head tag in your header file. Now copy the second code snippet, the one that goes immediately after the opening less than body tag. Paste that second code snippet right after the opening body tag in your header file. Save the changes to your header file. Finally, in Google Tag Manager, use the preview mode to confirm that the tag is firing correctly on your WordPress site. Now you have Google Tag Manager installed and get back to running your website.